Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can connect your Namecheap domain to your Wix site for free, so you don't have to actually pay for the Wix plan. So the first thing that you want to do is that when you're going to be in a site actions here, let's select the site, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first you have to publish the website on Wix. So when I go to site and app, this is the domain that we have, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the site, and you want to go to Namecheap, domain list, then click to manage right here. And then when you're going to be in domain, here you're going to find something called redirect domain. What it means is that we're going to redirect our domain to our site on Wix. So here I'm going to add a redirect. Source URL is going to be website here.com, and destination URL is going to be Wix site. Same thing. Add another redirect, www, and again your URL. And again, I'm going to paste the site. As you can see right now, what happened is that we added our URL right here. What you want to do also is a named server as a Namecheap basic DNS. Now when I'm going to paste it, it's going to take a while because I had it connected to my Shopify store. But when it's going to be, you're gonna see that okay, it's going to work. And it can take like half an hour or something like that. Okay. And as you can see, it will take a while, but then it's gonna be done. So that's how we're gonna redirect the domain from your site right here. And finish and finish. And now it's going to be good. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, let me down below in the comments. But this is how you can redirect and how you can use the Namecheap domain and connect it to your Wix site completely for free without actually paying for the Wix plan. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.